Alam mo si Yvonne kasi, siya yung anak na parang kaibigan din. Gano'n ang treatment namin sa isa't isa. Masarap siyang kakwentuhan. Siya yung anak ko na nakakapagsabi ako ng mga sikreto ko. Gano'n din naman siya sa akin. Sobrang close namin ng anak ko at ayaw na ayaw niyang sinasabi na kamukha niyang daddy niya. So anyway, anak, mahal na mahal kita. Wish ko sa'yo, sana matapos mo ang pag-aaral mo. Huwag kang titigil na makuha ang goals mo sa buhay mo. Mahal na mahal kita, anak.
Wish ko po na mag-aral ka mabuti, mag-focus ka sa future mo, and mabait ka.
Happy 18th birthday, Yvonne. I hope you have a healthy life and enjoy your day. Yun lang.
Happy 18th birthday, baby girl. You filled it with joy, laughter, and love. Watching you grow into this incredible young woman has been one of the grateful joys. As you step into the adulthood, remember to embrace each moment you chase your dreams and always stay true to yourself. The world is yours to explore, and I can't wait to see it all amazing things you will achieve. Thank you for being you. Your kindness, strength, and spirit inspire everyone around you. Enjoy every moment of this special day.
Hi Yvonne! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos and sana makinig ka sa parents mo, lalo na kay mami mo.
Hi Yvonne! Happy 18th birthday! Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals and dreams mo. And enjoy your night and make a lot of memories.
Hello, Bon. Happy birthday. 18 na siya.
Happy 18th birthday, Ebon. I wish that you achieve all your dreams. I pray that you continue to win in life because you truly deserve the best. Always remember that no matter what happened, I'm always here by your side. Loving you and being loved by you has been the greatest privilege of my life. Again, happy birthday, Ebon. I love you.
Huwag mong kakalimutan ng Diyos. Lagi mong isama sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay. Pangalawa, dapat maging risk taker ka.
May this treasure remind you to always stay true to yourself and wear your confidence with a grace.
Happy birthday. Parang kailan lang. Alam ko kung paano ka dinala ni mami mo. Kung paano siya naghirap sa'yo. Nandun ako nung oras na yon. Kaya alam ko mabait kang bata. Kaya ipagpatuloy mo lang yung kabaitan mo.
18 ka na. Parang kailan lang. Bata pa tayo. Laging magkasama and making memories together. I always be thankful for all the memories we share. We also want to say sorry kasi abang tumatanda tayo, hindi na tayo masyadong nagpapansinan like before. But please know that you'll always be special to me no matter what.
Hi Ate Yvonne, happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. And thank you dahil tinutulungan mo ako tuwing may mga problema ako, ganun-ganun.
special day, Yvonne. Treasure every moment and may your future be filled with blessing and happiness.
Turning 18 is a major milestone or transition to adulthood, offering for the new freedoms, responsibilities, limitless and possibilities.
Sana ipagpatuloy mo yung magandang pag-ugali, pakikisama, at higit sa lahat, yung pagmamahal mo kila mama at papa mo.
I wish you all the best in life and I hope you achieve all your dreams.